The first 90 days after you finish your coach training are the most critical. This is where most people either build momentum or they slowly fade away and go back to their day jobs. If you want to succeed, you need a plan. Here are the 7 things every new life coach needs to do in their first 90 days. Number 1, stop tweaking your website. I see new coaches spend 2 months agonizing over font colors and logos. Nobody cares. Your website just needs to clearly state who you help and how they can contact you. Get it done in a weekend and move on. Number 2, tell everyone you know what you do. Literally everyone. Send an email to your friends, family, and past colleagues. Tell them you've launched your practice and ask if they know anyone who might benefit from a complimentary session. Don't be a secret agent coach. Number 3, do 20 free sessions. Your goal right now isn't to make $1 million. It's to build confidence and get testimonials. Offer 20 free high-value sessions. Treat them like paid clients. Some of them will convert to paid clients, and the rest will give you the experience you desperately need. Number 4, pick one marketing channel. Don't try to be on Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok all at once. Pick the one platform where your ideal clients hang out and post consistently every single day for 90 days. Number 5, create a signature offer. Don't just sell coaching by the hour, sell a result. Create a 12-week program that takes someone from point A to point B. It's much easier to sell a transformation than it is to sell your time. Number 6, find a community. Being a solopreneur is lonely. You need a network of other coaches who understand the journey. This is why at the Life Coaching College, our community is so strong. You need people to bounce ideas off and share wins with. Number 7, hire your own coach. You cannot sell the value of coaching if you aren't investing in it yourself. Find someone who is where you want to be and pay them to help you get there faster. Nail these 7 things in your first 90 days and you will be miles ahead of the competition.